How to send and receive text message in Google Voice. First of all, open the Google Voice app or visit voice.google.com on your browser and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, tap or click the message icon at the bottom or side menu to open your message inbox. To send a new message, tap or click to send new message. Now enter the phone number or select the contact you want to message, then type your message into text field. When ready, tap or click the send button to deliver your text. Incoming messages will appear in the same message section. You can read, reply, or forward message directly from the app or desktop site. Notifications will alert you when new text arrive so you never miss a message. You can also send photos and emojis to make your conversations more engaging. Google Voice syncs your message across devices so you can continue conversations whether you are on mobile or desktop. Now you know how to send and receive text messages in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.